Hello guys, and welcome back to your football centre, where we show you tips, tricks and drills that you can do to practice football and become a better footballer. Okay? Today I have with me Sean Richardson, ex-professional footballer at Bangkok FC, currently trialled with Sheffield Wednesday, Lincoln City in summer. Who else did you trial with?
Notts County.
Notts County as well. Any other clubs?
I think that was it.
Yeah? Good experience there?
Yeah, decent.
Good experience. Today I'm going to show you a drill with different progressions, okay? With the different progressions, it's going to make it a little bit more difficult and a little bit more complex at the time. But this is going to make you a more complete football player with better close control, better awareness, and better dribbling skills. Okay? To start with, we have 4 coloured cones. 4 different coloured cones. So we've got blue in this corner here, green over here, orange, and yellow, okay? In this square is about 3 paces on each side, okay? Only a small square for the player to bounce off, okay? So I'm going to show you what to do with Sean. Sean's never done this, so this is his first time as well. So when we're playing, Sean, if you step into the middle, okay, to start with, we're only doing 2 touches, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, and slowly improve the intensity. 1, 2, 1, 2. And if you can, using both feet, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, at any given moment, I'm going to shout a colour. So when I shout, for example, orange, I expect Sean to just jump in, bounce off the orange, and bounce back in, calling for the ball, okay? Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay, we'll do 3 rounds of that. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Blue, blue, sharp. Yes, good. 1, 2. Yellow. Gonna test your touch a little bit. Test your touch.
Yep.
Okay. And green. Good. I'm gonna give you a little tip, okay? So when we're playing into this square, I want you to emphasize every movement as if we're in a game, okay? So I don't want you to just jump in and jump out, okay? Can you be explosive, jump out and call for the ball as well? Absolutely demand the ball.
Yep.
Okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
On your toes? On your toes? Okay, I'm going to test your touch a little bit as well. Okay? Yeah, 2 touch. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. Go. Bounce. Emphasize the movement. Good. Demand the ball, Shawnee.
Yep.
Yes. Orange. Let's bounce. Yes, back in. There you go. 2. 2. Green. Yep. Bounce. Well done, and hold it there. Okay. So now the next progression with this is, can we take different types of touches into different spaces? Okay. As we're working in this square, you've got 4 different aces. So if you jump out, Sean, quickly, I'm going to show you a quick one. Okay. So you might come in, as soon as I've shouted a colour, just as before, I might step off a colour. Yes, done. I might come through the back out here and play it back in. Can you do it off 1 or 2 touches? Okay. And again, I might play, Sean, yes. I might take a touch out here and play out. So every single time you've gone to a colour, I want you to go through a different exit. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Okay. And just to make it a little bit more difficult, let's play 1 touch bounce passes as quick as we can using both feet. Yeah? Touch?
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Touch?
Yep.
Touch?
Yep.
Yep. Blue? Yep. Blue. Okay, bounce off blue. Yep. Exit. Good lad. Fire in. Okay, that, well done. When you play it back to me, fire it in. Good. Yep. Yep. Good. Green. Yep. Exit. Good lad. Fire in. Good lad. Yep. Play. Good.
Sorry.
And 2 more. And orange. Go orange, yes. Exit. Yep. Yellow. Yes, exit. Good lad. And hold it there. So the key tip with this is just before you touch the ball, can you scan? Can you take a touch out into a space and into an area? So just like in a match situation. Okay? So when do you think that you would use this sort of drill?
When I'm receiving the ball from a teammate, possibly a defender, trying to turn and go forward.
Yeah? Hard work?
Yeah,
Difficult.
tough.
We're going to make this a little bit more difficult now. So if the camera comes a little bit closer, now you'll notice within the small square we've got a 10 by 10 yard square, okay? And the next progression is, can we dribble out to the colour, okay? And then fire the ball back in.
Yep.
So for example, if you jump out, Sean, if we're playing bounce passes in here, and you might say yellow, okay, I want you to play. You might say yellow. You might emphasize that movement, yes. Now you're scanning for where? The yellow on the outside, okay? So you might take a big touch outside, okay? Take a big touch outside, yes. Right, pass back in there and jump back in quickly, yeah?
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Okay,
Yeah.
Let's go for all 4 colours. Now let's do a combination of 1 and 2 touches at match intensity, okay? Ready? On your toes. Yep. Play.
Yeah.
Play. Play. Yeah. Orange. Yeah. Reach out. Good. Good boy. Yep. Boom. Yep. Good. Get that, Sean. Oh, get round. Go back. Fire it. Yeah. Good. Blue. Thanks. Yes, good touch. Well done. Well done, Johnny. Yes, good lad. Yep. Yellow. Bounce of yellow, touch. Yes. Fantastic. The key thing to remember with that progression is that when you're looking to receive the ball, for example, if I shout yellow left ball, that you're scanning to look where yellow is. Okay? As soon as you've taken that touch inside the box, can you then change the pace, get around? Okay guys, if you enjoyed today's video, like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Follow our Instagram as well at Euro Football Centre. Okay, did you enjoy that today, Sean?
Yeah, man, it's tough.
Yeah?
Good though.
Good? Tiring? Okay, good. Now, if you are in Bangkok, because we are based in Sukhumvit, find us near BTS Punawiti. We are available for group sessions, small group sessions, one-on-ones, anything for football. If you look around, if you take a look around, we have one of the most premium football facilities. We have one of the most premium football facilities in the country for working with small groups and one-to-one sessions, okay? So thank you. Give us a message on Instagram